Hi, it's me again. I hope you are doing great. Today I'll be making a card using memory box dies and Tonic Studios specialty cardstocks. I still don't want to let go of summer, so the theme of the card will be roses and butterflies. Let's get started. I'm starting with a sheet of cardstock. This one reminds me of brushed metal. I'm placing a die on top. This one measures exactly 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. This die is called Rose Bloom Collage. It's going to be my focal image. I'm also securing it on its place. Before sending it through the die cut machine, I'm going to put another sheet of cardstock underneath, and I'm going to send them both through. The rose die has cut through the top layer of cardstock, but not through the bottom one, which is completely fine for this project. The two sheets of cardstock got stuck to one another just because of the pressure of the machine, but still it is possible to separate them. Then I'm going to take my scissors and separate the top part of the rose outline from the background. Then I'm going to use another die from the same rectangle die set, and I'm placing it just behind the rose image and sending it through the die cutting machine. This way I'm going to have a kind of window behind the rose image. I have already prepared a top folding card base. It's 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches, and now I'm covering the entire card front with the tape adhesive. I'm peeling off the backing, and then I'm going to stick the blue panel on top of the card base. Some pieces happened to fall out, but I'm just going to stick them back onto their place. As always, the tools and supplies that I'm using are listed on my blog as well as in the description. At this point, I have decided to trim off the rose outline completely. I'm applying some liquid adhesive at the wrong side of the silver panel, and then I'm going to stick it on top of the blue one. I'm using the die cut image on the blue panel as a guide to apply some glue and attach all the petals one by one, leaving the outline blue. I've die cut the butterfly out of polished silver mirror cardstock, and then I'm going to attach it above the flower. The die is called FLITTER Side Butterfly, and it cuts out the outline as well as the background. For this project I'm only going to use the outline. Those tiny die-cut circles are the leftovers from the rose collage, and I'm going to use them as embellishment and attach them to the blue background. Looking at the card now, I decided that the rose should stand out a little bit more, so I'm going to change the brushed cardstock to the shiny silver one. I've die-cut the image one more time out of that mirror cardstock, and I'm attaching the petals on top of the ones that I had attached before. As a finishing touch, I'm adding some clear droplets on top of the rose petals, and my project is finished. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again really soon.